Yeah, let's see if the water... What? No water came out. What happened to the water?
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures Learning. I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing diaper science.
Yes, diaper science. So...
Stay tuned.
Okay, so we have a diaper here. And
Diaper.
Yes, a diaper. So the first step is to cut the diaper into small pieces.
Yes. Oh, there's the powder. We're going to use that. So we're going to use this powder to make our science experiment today, okay? Stay tuned.
All right, so the next step is Corban's gonna put the tiny pieces of diaper that we just cut up into the Ziploc bag.
Hey, it's started.
All right, now he's filling the bag up and we'll go to the next step. Okay, the next step is Corban's gonna shake the bag as hard as he can.
Okay.
Yep, make sure it's closed. Shake. Shake. Alright, so he's done shaking the bag, and what do we see, Corban?
Powder.
Like so.
See, here's the powder.
Yep, there's some powder that came out of the diaper here.
Baby powder, baby pow.
Okay, and this powder here is called polymer.
Polymer.
Yeah, it's called polymer. So you can kind of see that powder there. Let's get a close-up of it there.
There.
And we're going to show you something really cool, like a scientific magic trick with this powder. Okay, so the next step is Corban's going to take the diaper that we cut out of the bag, but he's going to leave the polymer powder in the bag. So he's doing that right now. Okay, so we have this powder left in the bag, and now Corban is going to put this powder into a cup. Alright, so we have the powder in the cup, and we'll go to the next step. Alright, Corban wants to add an extra step, so he wants to color the water. We're going to use some water in this science experiment, so he's going to put 2 drops of food coloring into the water, just to make it more interesting. And we'll go to the next step. Now Corban's gonna pour the water into the cup.
Okay.
With the polymer powder. All right, and we'll go to the next step. Next, he's gonna stir the powder and the water together. And we're gonna see what happens. All right, Corban, what are you gonna do now?
Now we're gonna flip it over and the water will probably come out, right?
Yeah, let's see if the water... What? No water came out. What happened to the water?
Got absorbed.
Let's see. It turned into like a gel-like substance.
Yeah, so cool.
That is cool.
This is polymer and it absorbs water.
Yeah, so that's why it's in the baby's diaper, because it absorbs the baby's urine.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.